But today me find a map of Jamaica, throw a dart on it wherever it land. And that's how me go for some good food.
And a really good story. First we needed to find a map. Rain started to fall and we have a battle up with no AC with the heat in the car. Stop at the first place to see if I could have get the map.
Maps in here, no? Map of Jamaica or just a world map?
Oh, okay. A map.
Oh, not map like cleaning map.
Apparently hardware don't sell maps, so them send me to a pharmacy. Alright. I search every crevice and corner of that place, but no map. Ask the cashier and she send me to another pharmacy. So I feel some would I get it, yes?
Yes, road map.
I was wrong, but she sent me to a bookstore. When I reach at the bookstore, said them never have no map, but eventually them find one. Was for $350 and although me did happy the map was a little too basic, we have to keep on looking. Walking past the store, I say, you know, maybe just go in there and ask, cause what the worst thing can happen? Worst case scenario, me just find a print shop and print a map. Reluctantly ask if them sell maps. Look, would have it there. It was the exact type of map I was looking for. It was a good look. Finally, quickly told her thanks and grabbed them up. Now it was time to throw the dart on the map.
Alright.
I'm the type of person who like to be in control of my faculties. So me being blindfolded made it nervous.
Yo, this is so crazy. I can't see nothing that's up.
With the fact that I had no idea where this dart would land. I took a deep breath and then let the dart fly. The dart hit the map and instantly landed. Linstead, a small town in St. Catherine that I have never been. Dart landed in a place called Shenton, somewhere in Linstead. I have never gone here, but boy was I about to find it. After loading up on some gas, it was time to take on the road. Skillfully maneuver over flat bridge and in no time was in.
Alright guys, so right now we just hit Linstead. I have no idea where Shenton is. We're gonna find Shenton, then we're gonna ask some people who can get some good food. Hopefully we can get some good story. And maybe we can find a river too. So let's go. Find out which part Shenton there, but yo, man, hungry, I kill me. $250.
After enjoying that pint, I saw this young lady and I had to ask her.
Which part we can find Shenton?
Bagwa.
A Bagwalk Shenton there?
We drive right
So
past
pass it.
Shenton.
Yeah.
Since I was already in Linstead Square, I decided to ask somebody which part we can get some good
No,
food.
mommy, where's the post office?
I think right.
Somebody tell me say good food there right beside the post office in a small container.
You have a food place up here, sir?
Right there. Just
So I was on the food hunt.
Container that will sell food on it, sir. Right, sir?
Reach at the place, the food never ready yet. Tell me say you never said this ease pa my face.
What time before food ready? 11:30 food. Here what we're gonna find Shenton. So Shenton stay and then we'll come back with some food. Let's go.
Heading back it
Yo,
down.
so I can't come to Linstead, I'm gonna check out the market. I've never been to Linstead before, so I'm gonna see what's going on. Them just are coming. Alright. I can go Linstead market. Attack what yourself. That's not it, right?
Found a man selling roots and bitters.
So why it's a clear? Oh, this must be really bitter.
So the whole type of pot. They have big pot, little pot, all type. All type of pot. Okay?
In the market, I met Marcia.
Anywhere you come in a Linstead, you find the market in the market.
And she said she been selling the market since she was 18 years old. And Marcia is now 52. To me, she look way younger.
That's the tobacco man. Good for nerves.
She says she sell from a pin to a anchor.
I'm dandelion and nickel. This is the nickel.
Until today, I had no idea what
We
nickel
do rub
was.
it and burn.
Oh, so people eat this?
Yes. No, Joe make tea. Dandelion.
So something like donkey eye.
Yes, but I'm a donkey eye this.
Marcia, come check the good things them.
And of course, we check
Yeah, man, I see my food stall in here. You see me, so I have at least 250. 2 bills, phone all banana 50 and 70. They find them around there so to make the girl them something taste nice. You get me? I say, my brother slang me take a still and give that part there night. He might go cost me when he hears every day.
General 6.
Yeah, so we're there at Linstead right now, so we're trying to find Shenton, you see?
Alright, let's do it. Just talk to our brother him say Shenton is Bagwalk like 5 minutes from here. So. I'm gonna find Shenton, Bagwalk.
Look up on the highway.
I down the road, but don't turn off in a straight road.
Alright, no.
Come off from Bagua Creek.
Alright. Getting close, people. We're getting close.
As we crossed the highway over into Shenton, we met a brother who tell us that there was a place where we could get some good food.
Right.
Biters. Also tell us that there was a river close by.
Alright, make a come back and ask you about the river.
Nice place where you can go run a video.
After that lengthy direction, we was on our way. But you can't believe so we still couldn't find the place.
Yo, my boss, what biters there?
After driving up and down the street, eventually we find it.
Finally reach at the place. You know how much drive, we must pass the place and it's a 6 million. General 6. How much time we pass here, sir?
Brother, the amount that time we pass here, so.
Oh, we're going there to see what we're going. Wait a second. Yo, I'm tired. I'm tired. I have to find a river after this. But we found it. Bider's Restaurant. Alright, I can see what we're going. Place big, man. Place big, spacious. Pre the menu.
When I reached, I found out that the manager was cashing, and the man was so surprised. The man said, I was just watching one of your video them. How cool is that?
Yo, you know how long we try to find the place? The place look nice though. The place look like somewhere you could have carried a girl.
Now, as I explored the property, I had no idea that this is where Mother also find somebody with a really good story. But before that, I want to know,
those biters have really good food, and you know, my dog will be buying, so we're gonna find out. The manager here, sir, I'm only use sea fish. You can taste the coconut in this. It's a little bit oily, but you can say that I can fry it and cook it down. Vegetable tastes fresh. Let's try the stew beef now. Oh, this is good. Oh, this tastes really good. Stew beef is shell. Nothing like that. Beef you can do. Over the fish. Stew beef just a melt in your mouth.
after drinking some crystal punch, that's when I met Lola. And in talking to Lola, that's when I found out she had a really good story.
I had a shopping fashion clothing store, right? I sell clothes. Coming down, I was making money, so I said I would start cooking and selling food. They're doing breakfast, lunch, late nights when people left party, and this is going really good.
Okay.
So I met a guy that I thought was
Find love people.
actually gonna help me.
I help you around
with my business. I do delivery, camera, go market, all of that.
Said unfortunately he never helped in the business at all, but he came to her for help instead.
I helped him with some money to fix his car, right? And him say I would give him about my money. And it never happened. So that did kind of mash me up mentally. I couldn't cook at the house anymore, so I started going places where I say I can try rent and make money. When I done pay out for rent the place, pay the workers, pay consignment, because I was selling drinks on the side also, it never worked out.
Said she was about to give up.
I got just done. Anyway, when I say to one brethren, say, you know, so I'm done with this, I'm not doing it no more. I say, no man, we have a brunch come up, just buy up some things and we'll pay your fee. Then I go to market, run up and down, buy everything.
Lola's chef was unavailable, so she decided to do it on her own.
Me I go do this by myself.
Right.
My auntie did my auntie house at the time I cook. She said she will help me. We have brunch for do. Right. So me I focus on the brunch, but my phone keep on a ring, and then the people at the brunch I say, Killer with breakfast there, turn on the oil pot and say me I go fry the plant them to get it out of the way. While me on the phone I talk, I'm gonna go so I'm gonna put the plant them in the pot, and my finger fry with the plant.
What?
So when me realize, like, me never feel like when it's hot, when I go so I fly over my hand, I say, Jesus Christ! I say, my finger burn up. I say, my auntie try put milk, water, everything, and me I shake like I was really crying. When I call the guy, I say, listen, this not go work out. My auntie said, stop telling him that me go cook the curry chicken for you and whatever. I say, auntie, it not go work, me not too much pain. Lay down. When I wake up at dark, beer miscock, I'm pump and selling. I never want no car, I never want nobody. And when I look into it, I see all of my money gone down the drain. Broke. That mashed me up mentally. Everything. There, I didn't run robin way. I have to go through $6,000 a week time. Me not see the money. Me not have the
Things
money.
would slowly get better for Lola, and she found a little help from a friend from her past.
Guy from Snapchat, him is a chef to him cook. You understand? Big up yourself, you know yourself. Him is a chef and him cook to him say, oh, why not come a country and cool up? I say, alright then me go come. And him help me like if me can eat and pay my round robin and all of that. Bear in mind when I get my round robin money, I never get all the complete draw when I forget because I owe people. When I get the round robin money, the money just gone up, go back home where my father and my sister live. That's where I moved from, so I now go back, but I went back. And while I was there, I was trying to just get back in. I just lock up in my room, I now work, I go country from now and then back to my friend, my chef. Father is a driver here, because my father work with him. That's how I end up getting a job here. So him said the boss I look a bartender if you want. He said that you know me no like bar and whatever. Stick up in. Number one, I didn't like cooking. Me never like it. Me only cook when me feel like. So it becoming my passion. It's just amazing. Me saying me never like bar work. Me come here so everybody come and love me. Me get to enjoy the work. So I guess it's always when you like do you end up loving doing. You understand? So it's sometimes you have to just put your mind to something and just say, alright, let me just pray to God about it and work with it.
I asked Lola what was her plan going forward, and she was happy to tell me that she's recently reopened her catering business. And guess what?
There will be a spot where you guys can come and pick up food and order your food.
What happened with that guy that never supported you?
I don't know and I don't want to know. we are looking at the greater, the brighter side, and we are looking for the greatness now. You understand? So thank you for this opportunity.
No problem.
I'm not lie. My anxiety kill me. Alright.
To find a river, only one person came to mind.
No, I'm pretty for one stop.
What is pretty but one
That's
stop?
what they call my pet name. Don't
It's a beach or a river?
a river, man, but I don't know what to call it country, man, so we don't say a Swiffy Beach.
Okay. Tell the people them say your birthday earth strong now, man.
Yeah, man.
River
Yeah, we fit up on the beach today, but we can't make it because we have a pot on the fire there, so.
Nice.
Understand? On the bypass.
On the bypass, you need to check.
Yeah.
I couldn't come a footstep without getting a delicious jelly and eating the jelly meat. Now, this is the good life.
Still, that's a 2-star. So what is
Yeah,
that?
man, I just say you enter this, man.
After
Yes,
getting directions
yes.
from Footstop, it was time for us to find the river.
Oh, boss. Which part was it? Tell them which part was it, no?
Shenton, you there, man. Shenton, Bagwalk, on the bypass.
Alright, we'll find Shenton. This is a
Yeah,
respect.
man, every time, man. Every time.
Now, to tell you the truth, to find the river, I had no idea where I was going. We end up, boy.
Yo, I'm gonna have a
Truth be told, I wasn't sure I was at the right place.
Yeah, so we end up. Bush.
bush.
But eventually, we find the river. I'm not telling a lie, the water it look cold, but I can't.
It's kind of shallow still. Feel like I'm gonna make a little splash. I mean, the final stop this, so might as well just go one little swim now to the team. We're gonna take one for the team, people. Alright. Guys, thanks for rocking me. You know the drill. Next time.
Man, I was glad I did. That water was refreshing.
This was well needed. Where's where I go? Throw another dart and see what it go. Alright?